It's not a joke. She literally does this before every video. I'm Andy.
And I'm Lindsay.
Welcome to the Love Shack. Give us a like,
Subscribe,
and hit the bell so you can join us as we grow. This is definitely the reality of what we're doing here. Our barn is 12 by 16. So we can't work in there because we got 16-foot boards we got to cut today. So we have to bring our entire shop outside, and as you can see, it's threatening to rain today, so because of that we have to set up everything outside the barn door just in case it rains. We can get it back inside real quick. Man, I cannot wait until we get our big barn built on this place. Times today. This is the second time I've attempted to do the eaves and ridges on the Love Shack, and the first time I was defeated. It was demoralizing, and we're halfway through one side right now and it's going great. So now I just got to keep replicating that. Once you find a good repetition, keep repeating it. Forget about the bad.
Yeah, what he said.
What she said.
Aw, man, you trying to do a video? Oh, look good.
So this is day 2 of us working on the ridges and the eaves. We got the other side behind me done yesterday, Saturday. I took a mental health day yesterday because, man, we were worked out solid. So now we're going to do the other side. Alright, so this is day 3 of working on the ridges and the eaves. Today I'm by myself because Lindsay's adulting in San Antonio. That's her part to keep us going. Our adulting, sometimes we have to go do things to make money, otherwise we can't fund this place. But one of the reasons it takes so long for us is A, we have adulting that we have to do. We can't just sit around here all the time at work, which would be awesome. One day we'll be able to, not yet today. But then also things like this have to happen. I'm about to dig a new poo hole for our outhouse. Close everything down. I hope you get two things out of this portion of the video. One, appreciate your flushing toilet. Two, strange things happen when you spend lots of time by yourself. Hope you enjoyed my poo smash dance. It's day 4 of working on it. Yeah, we kind of like giving you guys like what the reality is of doing one of these projects. It's you know, like I said, we have other things we have to do. Our full-time job is not just working on the Love Shack, so we do a couple hours of work every single day of things to move forward. And so this is the 4th day of putting our eaves and ridges and all the softening material on the roof. And it's probably honestly going to take another 2 days maybe before I get it done, just with the allotted time that I have. And the realities of life. What are you doing today?
We're gonna do some food prep.
What else?
That's about it.
Food prep.
It's a lot of work.
It is actually. That's
to
why
feed you. You eat a lot of food.
That's true. Yeah, you know, that's part of life. Like, we need food to eat, and she cooks it for us. Awesomely enough, like, we need a house to live in, so I build it for us. And so,
yeah, I'll help maybe.
Yeah, if I need her an extra hand, she'll be there. All right, this is, I don't know, day 748. At least that's what it feels like for the ridges and eaves, but had a lot of bad weather, like literally 9 days worth of crappy, snowy, cold weather, so I couldn't get out here and work. Oh, finally, today's the final day. I've actually already done the other side, and now I'm going to do this side. You can see I cut my first hole for the vents. I'm gonna finish putting 3 vents, one here, one in the middle, one on the other side. And then after I finish those vents, I'm gonna caulk the whole kit and caboodle up, and we're done.
Ooh, your butt's getting hot. You're so close to the fire.
Well, we finally got the house boxed in. I don't know how frustrating of a job it was for Lindsay, but it was definitely a frustrating job for me. You helped out. You helped with all the big stuff. It was all the little stuff that I had to do that was a pain in the butt, man. Like all these angles and stuff and things I'm just not good at. But as always, when you take on a challenge, you just got to get it done, and you learn from your mistakes and you get better for it, which is the hard part. But you know, if you didn't do it, you wouldn't learn. And you can tell it's been a bad time because I'm drinking wine. That's how rough it's been trying to get that thing done.
Or we just ran out of beer.
We didn't even have any beer in the first place. If I was drinking whiskey, it'd be real bad. But cheers. Love Shack. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like and all that stuff.
Yeah, do that.
that stuff.